Hello everybody, welcome to my review channel. Today I'm doing a review on a car phone holder made by K&F Concept. It's a dual USB charging port and a 360-degree swivel car mount phone holder. Came in this nicely packed box. Now let's open it. It's quite a good car holder. It sits firmly in the cigarette lighter socket, so no moving about, none of that shenanigans. Quite easy to assemble. It's not a brain surgery. It's not brain surgery. So these are all that came with this, that come with it, and that came with it. So what we do is, and it's also made from nicely strong treated plastic. Now I'm not gonna go through the user manual to see how it's done, and it also one thing I like about it is it's got a dual use. You can either use it with this for it to sit in the cigarette lighter socket, or you can use this and put it in one of the vents outlets, and it would either way it would stay firmly. It will stay firmly. So what we do is we take this out. Very easy to install, as I said. Yeah, so we put that in there and we put that in there and we just screw it down. That's it. That's all to it. You can expand, say, very easy. It has a button at the back which you press, and wow, that's nice. And it's not one of those that when you press the button it just poop, it shoots aside. No, this one is quite, it was engineerily thought of. See, you press and hold and it just comes out. That's nice. Let me do it again. I love that. Wow, that's nice. So this is the vent mode of holding your car if you want to use it in a vent outlet. Now to use it in the cigarette lighter, what you do is you take that out. Again, you use this, you put it in there, you screw this down, and put this together. You put this together with the cigarette lighter holder, and you put this screw through it like that, and you screw it down. I mean, one doesn't even need to look at the user manual to get the hang of it. And it's quite solidly holding there. It's not moving about. If you want to make it a bit loose, you just loosen it here for it to move around. It has a teeth where it holds on when it keys into and holds it so that it doesn't move about, which is quite good. Dual USB for your charger. That's quite good. Yeah, that's about it. Universally, it's universally compatible. The viewing is very good, optimal viewing. I recommend it to everybody. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the seller's web link. I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested in buying it, please click on the link at the bottom of the video, and it will take you directly to the seller's web page on Amazon. So thank you very much. As I said, please subscribe to my review channel. There's more to come. If you want to leave a comment, you're welcome. If you like my video, please click yes below. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.